Hallo, guten Tag, Deutsch 2. Die Aufgabe für heute ist eine Umfrage zum Thema im Restaurant. Das heißt, hier hast du ganz viele Fragen, also mal gucken, 20 Fragen. Du beantwortest jede Frage zuerst kurz und wenn du die 20 Fragen fertig geantwortet hast, dann schreibst du hier 10 Sätze mit deinen Antworten. So hopefully you followed me a little bit. In case you didn't, here are those same directions in English. So for those 20 questions, you will first respond to each one with just a short keyword answer. Then once you finish that, out of the 20, I'm just asking you to choose 10 to answer in a full sentence, which I think will be very doable. I think once you see the questions, you'll see they're quite simple, and formulating your own answers will be pretty simple too. So just like always, I would recommend having out the vocab as you do this because nearly every question includes a vocab word. So maybe we'll look at 6 because that one looks like a lot of these are simpler questions, and I can help you a bit with 6 since it's a little bit tougher. So here it's asking, wer bezahlt die Rechnung, wenn deine Familie ins Restaurant geht? And I hope you remember wer is who. It's a false cognate. So who bezahlt is pays. That was in your last vocab. I'm not sure if it's in the current ones again, but who pays the bill when your family goes to the restaurant? So here you're just going to do a simple answer. For me, well, I usually pay my own bill, so I'm going to say ich. But maybe you're going to say my parents. I'll put that as an example because that's probably most likely the case. So meine Eltern is how you would say my parents. So here in these boxes, it's just going to be a keyword answer. Then if I wanted to use that one, number 6, to make my full sentence here below, then I would make a sentence that says, my parents pay the bill when my family goes to the restaurant. So here's how we do that. So meine Eltern, and then pay, you know, is bezahlen. The bill, die Rechnung. And that also is up in the question if that helps you. And if you want to drag this around, if it helps you bring it a little closer to the sentences, that's fine. Pay the bill when my family goes to the restaurant. And you can kind of mimic the question here to help you formulate your answer. So here it's saying when your family goes to the restaurant, but you want to say when my family goes to the restaurant. So wenn, meine Familie ins Restaurant geht. There we go. I'll have to adjust the size of this. That's actually a tougher one. I think when you look at these questions, you'll see most of them are quite simple, like including magst. So there, if you write your own sentence, you would say ich mag, or ich mag nicht, or ich mag kein, depending on how you negate. Brauchst du, isst du? Remember, ist is irregular, so for the ich conjugation, it's esse. Maybe we glance at number 16, this phrase, was für, you've had earlier in the year, and that means what kind of. Also, I just saw this. I'm going to have to add a couple footnotes, like here, this jetzt, dext. There's a couple footnotes, so I don't have them in currently, but I will add them to the speaker notes right after I'm done with this video, so those will be available for you too. And then probably just the last thing to be aware of is there's some compound words here. So when you see Kartoffelsuppe, I hope that is clear. It's just a combination of potato soup. So I will leave it at that. Directions are there on the first slide for you again if you need them. And that is it for today. Tschüss. Ciao. Auf Wiedersehen.